Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to turn on live expressive captions on your Google Pixel device. Now this feature basically shows the live text from any audio that is playing on your device. It also shows emotions and sound labels to the caption, like for example a laughing symbol or a musing symbol, and it's really easy to set up. So to get started, first go to settings and then search for live caption. Here it is. Click live caption. Now turn on use live caption. Then got it. Then once you turn it on, make sure you turn on expressive captions. And then make sure you also turn on live captions in volume control. This way, when you press the lower volume, then you click on the three dots, you'll be able to turn on and turn off the live captions. And then you can also set the caption preferences. You can set the style to be medium size, or you can also set the color for the text and the background. Now it's already set. I'll show you an example. I have this video on my phone that I'll play.
Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix your Netflix account.
Now you can see the live caption is showing on the screen, and whatever audio you play on your phone, it will show the live captions. So that's it for the video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.